to aprangsi nangletum pini bangso ang songa directiona tengpen bang elitum phanang ke post dun acara lir ke do atum solar project ki biji po main pen along nangache jok dun thap pen bang soilitum phan ako nangletum ahok ma pu che thandak noi po meeting pinilitum kangni press meet kangni along media korte tum ke chopa teng aporteng penang pali dun thega pot nili hin pen kardom lapen rong asar hin pen tanal tum phan media korte tum han kardom iglo lapen pinida kachitong kadok we rong koira ke thom ilitum la solar affected area arong asar tum phan anta nili hin pen kardom chupilo angsona directiona teng pen nili tum phan la cheklem tu po pen so ka cheklem mane alang tum ilitum phan ang ke post dun thavaret la so alam voi kipi bangso meeting nangachitong dun ilutum la rong koira ka thom alis lai khen lo la so alis bangke dak do erlo agambura tum an la sirara tong bangke non chutiki chorla na por amasi jasmet pet rong asor tom phan bangke nil tom padigdar pon pedat lo la gbs tom phan se hang pen se so press meet pini bi pon lo la so pen nang che tong dun aronga amena bangke lai khen lo alis lo la ke chengsi long kathar lo agambura dak doiglo lapen long hup dak agambura doiglo kara rong pierong agambura dolo balijan piloko longki rong phara rong agambura dak amunit dodlo lapen bangke balijan lalmati dolo dilai bolo diliterang lapen bangke langtuk ramsa lapen hemari timung lapen bangke bonglong terang men tisso lokpo kiling sam teron kania hanse sarpo terang lapenge lokso teron muhuri teron nihang terang teke ingti lapen bangke lake sorumanthi bidasing kiling langbirik mijikro anhelo rong koira ke thom la bangke solar ke parlo vek arong lo sitame ke parlo posita a solar bang rong parlo ponpe la jitu rong kavi det si a solar area bangke kedu a map tel tumlong laplo sitame non ilitum chesong bom pen wang bom bang atum dak la so project nang bilo pupen iltum phan nang than nang kimum non ningkan hini lekelo bang ha adb asian development bank atum amethang dak inquiry chewang lo nang survey lo so pen epdcl atum aphong wang lo sita chobei choke longle ki chujor phelang chujor tum amune tum hala so ke post tum long chelang dun pensi pini ilitum phan la so development anak kimi ilitum phan ke wang ya dimalong bang atuma bangke lahaya project ke chor i belek a state tumta country tumta la sonyong sibi thek lo polong te ilitum dimalong a development the pikipu a hok bangke wang atumta hala adb pen wang atum bang ha norway pen italy pen la pen bangke spain pen lahai tum wang tumta niltum phan dak khadok avita chitong long sarlo la tum ike than te kanga teng polo tangte ladak la so project bang bikok lo polo tangte so project long pipilo ali alap kilongi number 1 latum pulo ilitum phan bang kechobe choke keningi thap bang ke solar project adungare arong ana bang ke hipi birik asonson le chuita rengun e adim kreng hakji munita chi ji pon an sikini ge mate 15 km surrounding ke la so a distance bang ke la ke munit makena hok dolap jipu la silitum non dak tot prong menti sorong pen dimapur ta 15 km awi la si international munitum bang chini je la sopia bosu ma solar ke banang than dak lo pen chin ne pol da google long search noi solar ke la ke green energy akang sam nei miang bong ta la henlo la si bang matha et si iltuma dr tuliram rong hangsar la pen ke asama chief minister dr hemanto biswa sharma alang tum bang chini lor pen si karbi atumta paching thur nang po alam lo la si la sopen mitang sena puthak non la IPP atum a leaders rajen timung lapen bangke APHLC a leader satum Bikram Hanse tu bang chomatha bangke rong asar pencing kike dak a jat atomo nang chinin de pinsi alang tum si bora kethek arong tagali a hemta ave dak a rita ave alang tum pulok karbiang long indigenous people party pu kerai asonsi kiche krong thap chela tum bangke dak eli tum phan la an akki meji la so area la an keching thuri awar sailong po non eli tum pilo dak awar sai gelong habit haram ancholo ajata ave dak dungke tara chojor lapen ke mentu lo keching thur lang non la so dim geli tum la so solar project nang bikok lo polong te la dak thek akam an ke bang 1000 amunir phan bang local atom phan si dak asakuri piponji puta bang chichak do lapenda lata asudet pogali 4th grade 3rd grade pogali thek ason an bang local phan si first priority people pu latum nang than tekang lapen lan chotakali adungare rong ke thek ason an karbi tum choklem beha paper in dak uthung chopangreng wokak chopangreng la hai anta la tum lang ponji me lang towar anta lang tum si arix enlo nang jong se nang tum bi binong polong ten tum la anta nang lang pon pu pulu la sila so adima bangke nili pudami po bangke alang litum dak non ahokalam chithan dak sigemi akorat tum chi ne pure ke pulo la sinili pini bangke nang la tum phan khulasa mane open nang kuri pilo so area ke jasmet pet nil tum ta kecheng aku kichini inde ako bangke nil tum ta kroi kre pu ke opos pu pulo siam along ta lo chupidam pu pulo sita phialam long thula ap lo lapen bangke area jitia survey nang start lo area ta chelang lo lake minimum maximum 70 to 80% along le bangke lake mentur ni rong asor pen ko nanal sor ne along lita la non solar ke parlo ajo an ke chejor ta tang etlu donatum karbiang long arat atum wang ignoi nang le tum approve nang people dak long le ke chejor tum si just met apen hala nang ke post tum long kai chelang dun amen nili nang pu pipru nai pulong te puthek la pen nili long wangoi nang chetong oi nili ke dak si ke jot mo monilo dak se local lo apen nilia jo social worker bo hisab amat nilita sap o ke chelang no najir ding kluilo lai party along pe ne chelang no masinil ta dipu dokok chichini dun de dak men tu tong lahan along leki ik deroni lasi la so long le bangge jong si ilitum naga tum hanta nil tum blamely pe poloma kichior ke dakatum ke naga tum ta charju thek buta arleng alam ta nar judun ta me nang ning ori nang tum ta pe poloma nitum nang ke plung bori gali nang tum chok chi ke nam chok chi dak karbiang long alen along le bang ke lake hara dak ke tok masitu dak tok dak lu karbia anglong along li po bang ke kerai pusi kerai binong do lapen chojor tapar along li ke la bang ke aron re pen ke jor pute ke jor bang ta jel dam nai ke nam bang ta jel dam nai hadak pota long ta ke tok du je la bang ke long li jong si jorlong li pagli ke jor bang jorlong ji sita council soraphan arju nai lata periodic pota miadi pota long lok aphi miadi pota dokok pen aphi council pen order cho nai order en lo pote ke support ma kun e ma pia ki sung pia ki boy ma bang jori pupi ke sita no nang tum ge illegally si jor varelo ke nam tum da burbok lo ke nam do na atum anta apota long ma ke do kopilo ma ke do alang tum la dak civil SG office long dampo kopene a documents nam enam lok po kopene a dulil si bagwan lok po alang tum chi siri kut la heno ma proper document kali lake la si illegally si nang tum long leke nam la si donatum karbiang long arat tum tanang chinyo nilimen ke chondro kathar nili bangke nang le tum thek long ji nili rong le long kathar rong dokok poset dak alom amuni tum le long le jor lap posita nili pota aso asaveta sakuri se claim government job CD block hegandi lana long le men tu tong vir det ki jor deroni la si la hai along le ki jor tum ben chelang sinon rajen timung punon Bikram Hanse punon apen alang le tum phan karju king tung le la hello kopi interest lo dak nil tuma development lo nang pau do inang li dak komat lo je nil tum la an arat phan pamang huprong ni nil tume ki chihok lo ke arjuno la to tar tum pini ki do tum anta dak arong agambura tum saide lo duplicate kali la ke original bang po chi phung pame agambura pen alang tum chi chini lo so area ke ta nang tum ko na pen sinang chini wong de lo hala arong dam hupo bang thom bane jang phong rum to dang krong ก็มันเนี่ยที่คุบต่อดำพรองละเป็นสินาลตุมฮันนอร์เวียนกันดุนให้อิตาเลียนกันดุนเยสอนอินเตอร์เนชั่นแนลลองนั่งเลยตุมละให้อารามกันนี้ดำทับเกดักรัวลำชินีลุมาฮอกเอ็ดเกวางอีกหน่อยดักนั่งตุมละ every footstep ดามอยอาร์จุนอยละนนดักเกโดคูร์ไล่ปังไทยลอร์ปิดเทเป็นอลองเลกละเกการเบียลองเลก70 to 80% ตาเวลูบางซอบก็จะจอตังจอลังตังอลองเลไซเดลดอนตุมละสินังชินีดูหน่อยนอนนั่งเลยตุมมาทัดามบางแกการเบียงlo anglong along le 18,000 bega konwang popu konwang gali lagi pinier ni la solar project jong sinang bibedat pulonang te along le si bang asu sinang duwang podaki dak don suri la tum along le ke nama tum ta lapu chiring koi nam lo pote doning koi lo tum rong ji sige che seng ji side anta la bang dak wa ino nil yang paklangon pa proof apen ke chijor ke chelang atom phanta ningji thap ke lila tum nil tum chepa jogi po ba solar project pato nang pa phan le nil tum lam nang ningji dun kali approve do nang paklang thima lahai moni tum ke chithrak non chilut chok ipia poloma hala documents nil tum phan la so project e wang lo pupen long le ke chijor documents an ke nang lang pi pon than tum phanta pu documents ni long nang agreement documents abang ni long nang chithon lap ke abu yang som do non nili pini dak amen pang dak pon pulo dang te baria dusmon sita la tum long le chiro dang der lage nili fere akam ta wi la sidona tum karbiang long arat nang cerap nang choto do noi karbia tum isi la ta mesen akimia kam lot je la sol project pen ile tum jong se chubi thexer polong te bang competition nang pg putang de lobo asap saveta long polata ako logote ile tum dak sakuri ta bang 1000 ba kamunet bang kela dak local tum hansi pon poputa nang ningi dak lo la si to details bang ke non kening ye tum ta do ulang sita nili tum phanta nang tar lip moto nili long le ke jor pu nili hedi border long adu nili phanta pache thang tapik nili election thuruta la le go border so long le jor acha to khomani nu jor lo la rat ke jor ma jorji sondak taxi dipua sor ke hino pik mane amonit ke mane phanting on thop areng so dagma ekole dipudam delup la soni kali botnamri hakhi nai non ili tumang bong kes cipi jeng yang nang le tum phan nil tum kes nang pipo non nang tum keni kan thap keni am propot il tumang bong arleng hiam si cheng no pobo non la sulibom ili tum nil tum dak border dimapur border jasmet pet akar bi tum ki doing thak so loda lada kang thak so bostu gala poen lo dipho long dampo si haladak air office settlement office long dampo haladak achitha lang po oko la ke long le khali lang bang kep en ko mone wang po hadak ta jur jobostia pota chikuri po dakta long le chipo lapo bang e don rap tum karbiang long arata tum ho non ovi kimia tum phanang chordom nang chuning ri lo son ke nang viri na nilge sia mamunit nilge ye mamunit niga muk mp mamunit ne dolo tum vir det po nang la tum la dak che hongkang po chichok kang po kat ruk po nil tum bang dak ke halak tum han pulisu mandet po nil tum ke chojor cholang hako pendala alang tum long duk dun det border asor ke thang awar sayawi pen ke kelang ta kai kita pangkriwi election hot ke mel meeting doji sita aphi bang che wang wewi lahai bang ta nil tum akhi sung do non pini ta nil tum dak na menti sorong nang pale rok ra jo langbung lang pret a photo paklang le paklang la si donatum so solar project aphan lok ke kadok ave karbi arat phanta non ke thigiding non IPP president secretary atum noi APSLC president secretary atum noi nangle tum ta proper inquiry pen official hai oppose kuri du nangji non nangle tum responsible change ma non dadak bang arong kechi ke bi arong amune nangne putenal tumpu la tum sinon playing set pu wangoi to dak face to face sil tum cepak lang dak nang nil tum danang dun po lab rong koi ra thoma gamura tum nang dun toy po nang la tum pilo nil tum phana approve nang piji nil tum pilo approve nang piji la si dona tum nili hin pen rat aphanda chuniri chordom lo la pen bangke nil tum a details non english pen ta dak nal tum phanang piji la pini karju long tum an phana chuningri lo rat atum nang le tum la bangke bhul buji nang ne ulta nang ma thari nilitum la solar project ki bi i main alam ke lake ilitum akar biang long a protection apan lo non jong silitum la bi thek ser lo polong te non ke jong se la bi thek thedet pol non menti sorong anang le lo na la hapara sorbang long li ke namatum engke penap dik bang ke menti so parpo penap dik hidipi parpo non ta hapu hinat pen mang ke na horjan hala so border pen hadi lai le rok lo la si la hai hui pen le ilitum se protect on de polo tang te avelu la bang ke non ilitum chubi ko rat atum phan awar sayan ke dolang lasi kardom lo nilihin pen jo nil dung ako kening ye itom da ulang nilihin pen lapan sinal tum han meses pipen kardom pa jir pen ton ko kardom
Population anywhere near the figure. What we do have are few tenants who engage in farming, but even they are not permanent settlers. They are yearly tenants with agreement that lasts for only 1 year at a time. This kind of misinformation only harms the development process and mislead the public. We, the actual residents of the area, know the truth, and we urge people to speak based on the fact and not assumption or exaggeration. On the issues of encroached land and opposition, I also want to bring attention to a very serious issue. The area affected by the solar project are mostly encroached lands, now occupied by people from other states. These lands were never officially transferred or settled. Yet now outsiders are trying to claim rights over them. I say this directly to those who are opposing the project. If you truly care about the land, then take responsibility. Help us claim these encroached areas and protect us from the growing threat of land mafias. It is hypocritical to oppose the solar project while turning a blind eye to illegal occupation. Let's not ignore the fact that a few local individuals who are now speaking out against the project are the very same people who sold land to outsiders in the first place. And now they are demanding the project be cancelled. That raises serious question. And it is also interesting to note that some people, even when internationally, have spoken out against this project. But I can't help but wonder who is behind their effort, especially considering the travel expenses and funding involved. I myself come from one of the solar affected area, and I speak here as a representative of my community. If you all know our villages, you will understand they are older than the present day Dimapur town. Yet despite we have seen no development, we have no proper roads, no reliable water supply, no schools, and the growing problem of land mafias. For years, our area was treated like no man's land, forgotten, without facility, without opportunity, and with a very difficult livelihood. But with this solar project, for the first time, we have seen a glimpse of hope. We see the possibility of development, roads, electricity, jobs, and the promise that the project will, alongside the local community, to build a better future. They have assured us that both men and women will be supported in creating sustainable livelihood. Our village may finally gain recognition as a solar city. We also hope it will bring safety and protection from land mafias, especially since we live along the border with another state. I challenge them to justify their claims with evidence, bring the facts, not rumors or emotional manipulation. The people of this area deserve development, not interference based on falsehood and personal interest. I want to directly address Bikram Hanse, Rajan Timung, and others who are not from our solar affected area villages. How can you go so far to lie to? I want to sincerely thank the media personnel, the residents of the solar affected areas, and all the friends who have traveled from far and wide to attend this meeting on our invitations. Today, we have called this meeting because we have noticed a concerning trend. Individuals from outside our area who have no direct knowledge or connection to our land or the solar project are coming in and opposing the project. As part of the direction given, officials from KAC, APDCL, and even international representatives have been visiting our area regularly for over a year, almost every 2 to 3 months, to conduct surveys and engage with the people. All 23 villages involved have raised no objection to the solar project. We, the villagers, see this as a real opportunity for development in our region. The project representatives have promised To support the local community in meaningful ways, they have committed to improving our livelihoods by supporting small businesses such as weaving, pig rearing, and silk farming, and by helping build schools, roads, water system, electricity connection, and more. They have agreed to our terms and are ready to work alongside for the growth of the affected areas. It is important to understand that 80% of the land in question is wasteland. Much of it is illegally occupied by encroachers. This project represents a light of hope for us, a chance to finally see progress and chance for our people. That's why we will not allow outsiders like Rajan Timong from IPP, Bikram Singh Hanse from APHLC, and others to destroy this hope. They are not from our villages, they are not our representatives, and they do not speak for us. Their claim that 20,000 people live in the area is completely false and driven by political agendas. We know our land, we know our villages, and we know what is best for our future. No outsider will come and dictate what should happen in our house. We live here, we decide what is right for us. Frankly, I find this opposition unnecessary and driven by motives that seems more about personal gain than genuine concern. I have to ask, are they opposing simply because they are not getting any financial benefit from it? Their opinion seems irrelevant and lack value, especially since they are neither from our area nor directly affected by the project. As of all you know, the KAC and we, the people who actually live in the areas impacted by the solar project, have no issue with its development. We understand the benefits and supports the initiatives. It is important to stand firm and not let outside voices who don't share our struggles or vision dictate what is best for our community. Clarification of misinformation. I also want to address some of the false claims being spread by outsiders regarding our areas. They are saying that there are 20,000 Nagas, Karbi, and Adivasi residents living here. That is simply not true. I invite anyone to come and see the reality for themselves. Our area does not have the kind of dense jungle.
Non bang nangat han te kanga teng ba nil tum hanang pa chinia teng la poen lo. Jitia tamane alam bang clear lo polotang te alang li tum final chitok po je pinipen banga project bivek po ba latak nang ot po polotang te la sochi council Karbeng Long Autonomous Council lapen ke ala APDCL lapen ADB atum alang tum chitok po hala sofiansi lapen kaching wa verbal kaching wa hutsita mi non alang tum la son siningi ponlo je ladak local atum phansi first priority lake theka son an ke mopen suri sibak armu ladak palut pon pu pa bangke alang tum non chitok pon pu pa alam lo sita akam si a disturbance the ongmat lahai ke chitok avela alang letum just nang tum kroima krima pu phansi kewang chotlang la sopensi alang tum ako nang chi survey lo non la sinon survey tangi dok dok a porsi la bangke alang tum nang la son mopen ningi pon bom ala makam hal hai na a disturbance doko ma si non chitok thek theder la sita la bangke alang letum chi chakang lo ADB tum danang chi chakang lo APDCL tum danang chi chakang lo